Hi everybody, here's another video in our Benito HQ hack series. In the series you'll see many ways that you can use natural oils for your hair and for your skin. Today we'll be talking about almond oil. Normally you shouldn't put any oils underneath your eyes due to the skin being a little bit thinner than everywhere else. Almond oil is perfectly fine if you do want to reduce the dark circles from underneath your eyes. All you need to do is apply a few drops every night and you will start to see results in approximately 2 to 3 weeks time. Another great use for almond oil is for an unwanted tan. All you need to do to remove the unwanted tan is to use 1 tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of almond oil and a few drops of lemon juice. Once mixed together and applied on the unwanted tan, leave for 1 hour and then rinse off with cool water. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share our video below and let us know if you are going to use our hack.